What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel on this beautiful, oh, it's a little chilly actually, early-ish spring day in beautiful British Columbia. It is actually really nice out for the last couple days, minus some rain the other day. So I was going to paint my wheels today, and then I realized that I'm very sick. Don't mind the sniffles throughout this whole video and the very puffy eyes. It's a little rough, but we gotta push through. You need videos. I like making videos. I need to work on my car. It's a win-win situation. You get videos, I get to work on this hunk of, just kidding. So today I figured I'd do something a little bit easier, hopefully, and try and fix my AEM True Boost gauge. So basically, if you look here, it's not gonna be in focus, but this little guy right here is supposed to be in the back of the gauge. Unfortunately, when I first got this gauge, I didn't realize what I was tugging on, and I pulled it right out the back of the gauge. I can't figure out how to get the gauge apart, so I'm going to try it again. I don't know what that rattling is either. I'm a little concerned about that. I'm going to try and do that, or I might have to drill the backing out a little bit. Then we'll see from there, but I can't guarantee anything. I'm just hoping. If not, I will probably have to send it to AEM for fixing. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, I'm just going to get right to it. Probably just put you on the tripod and explain what I'm doing as I go. So let's do that. Okay, so don't exactly know what kind of tools I'm gonna need for this, but we're just gonna try it out. Okay, keep those there, that keeps that there. So I know this twists off. Oh, no, still shaking. And then this guy, whoa, ooh, that's a new one. Okay, we're gonna slide that guy out of there, maybe. This might be a really bad idea, guys. I don't know. Oh, this pops out too. Oh my god. I'm pulling this whole thing apart, and it is probably the worst idea in the world. Oh my god, these are so little. I could lose them so easy. Oh my god, guys. What am I doing? Okay. Can you still see? I'm going to move you a little bit. Okay, so basically got... Okay, I don't like this. Look. Oh my god, what if I damage all of this? What if I can't put it back together? Oh my god, this is a bad idea. Okay, can I pull these out? Warranty void if broke. Oh good. Okay, oh no. Okay, this is a really bad idea. Really bad idea. Okay, well I just voided my warranty. Guys, I'm just gonna say it now and say it loud and proud right now. Probably shouldn't do this. I don't really know what to do. No, I don't want to break anything. Ooh. Oh no! These have to plug in somehow? Oh god. Guys, what am I doing? We have movement. Oh no, it's like breaking. Oh lordy. Oh god, why am I doing this, you guys? This is just a bad idea. Notice how I say that as I just keep touching bologna? Bliznit? Shiznit. Ah. Okay. Have movement. It's slowly coming out. Okay. It's out. Oh my god. What is that? Oh. Okay, see this little guy right here? This was around this inside of here. Which then this, oh my god, I got it out without damaging, I think. Key point question word there. Okay, so this guy is supposed to go on this. Don't. Let's try that again. So this guy is supposed to go on this guy right here. So I'm just gonna zigzag that on. Okay. Oh wait. Oh. Okay, so what we actually have to do first is get this guy, and this guy. So let's just... So it won't even fit in there. What would the easiest way to do this be possible? Set it on fire or something, maybe? I like that idea. I like fire. Made me think of that meme. It's like, I like turtles.
I like turtles.
Or the other meme that's like, I like trains.
I like singing. I like dancing.
I like trains.
We're in. Not enough though. You going in? Oh, it is. Haha. Thanks to my best friend in the world, brake clean. That's through there now. You can see it right there. So now, I'm just gonna pull this guy through. And then once again, we are gonna do this. So again, zing, bada bing, bada boom. She's on. Okay, I'm just gonna throw this zip tie on here, just like so. And we'll cut her down, and hopefully we can get this thing back together. And hopefully it'll work. Now the good thing is, the car is already wired for this. So as soon as we get this in, then all we have to do is the boost solenoid, and we just get a sender. I probably won't do it, like actually put it in this video, but we're zip tied. And everyone knows the best way to cut your zip ties is with some bulky ass pliers, because you can't find your cutters. Boom! Oh, this tiny zip tie made such a small noise. Oh, it's because it didn't cut it. Nice. Okay. Okay, so now I'm just gonna pull this guy nicely. Then we're gonna push this guy nicely. He's our friend, he's our homie. Oh, we're off. We're not centered, boys. So the nice thing is, even if you take this out all by yourself, don't recommend doing it, to be honest. There's little notches in here. So right here, it's black, so you won't be able to see it, but there's notches. And on the circuit board, there's notches as well. So the nice thing is we just zaboomafoo, boomaflooey. Did I just break something? Oh my god. Did it break? Did it snap? Oh no. I think it just clicked into place. Okay. Is that in? I would say that's pretty freaking in there, boys and maybe girls. Okay, now we have the rest of this mess. So I know this guy, which way does this gauge face? Okay, so you see this guy right here, and then you see this guy right here. All 4 of these and all 4 of these need to go into all 8 of those. And it has to go the right way up. So I'm assuming it goes, whoa, tricky, this way. Okay, so this is going to be the hard part. Well, maybe not, because we have dowel pins to line up with. Oh, look at that, she clicked in. Okay, now this is going to be the hard part. So I know this little guy needs to go over a button. Hear that? Nope, that's a button. Now the button's still working. It's good, good start. So we're gonna put these two, put these 2 little pins, which are actually the buttons, in there. We're gonna grab them. We're gonna put this on here. And again, it has notches, so it just lines up nice. Freaking lovely, dude. Okay, now this part gets confusing. So this and this line up. Oh, this rolled away. So now this guy sits somehow, I believe like this. Yeah, because that's the thing we see. And then, oh, this guy. O-ring first. We're gonna pop this O-ring here. Sorry, I'm kind of like talking to myself, not really talking to you guys, so I apologize, but this is a little, oh, when did the little buttons go in? I think it's over top of these. Does that actually click in? It's probably supposed to. Oh, these might click it in. Oh, those are rubber, huh? Oh, where'd it go? Oh, that's one of my buttons. Oh, I found it. Oh, okay. These guys are really small. Oh, it focused. These guys are really small. So these go on like that. And boom, that holds this in place. Guys, I think I just successfully did this. Let's not get too ahead of ourselves though. Okay, this is a nice little metal piece. It says AM True Boost on it. That guy slides on like, no, these definitely go under the seal. Okay, so we gotta do this. We can bend this guy back. We'll put these bad boys in. Why am I speaking a British accent? I don't know, because I'm kind of nervous right now. Okay, we got one. That's all dirty now. I gotta clean it. Ugh. Good thing I have some tissue right here, because my nose won't stop leaking. Welcome back to Travis Lobson YouTube videos, where we use Brake Clean to clean everything. Ta-da! Okay, grab this guy again, and I believe flip this. Oh no, this goes over. And just like that, we're done. Feel like unaccomplished. I need like a check mark, and then a little ding. And then I'm good. Then I'll be happy. Just like that. True Boost fixed. Hopefully. Let's go plug it into the car. Give it some power. See if she works. Okay, so I'm just gonna put you on my lap for a second. All we're gonna do is grab this guy, lug her in. Oh, she plugged. True Boost plugged in. Oh, I don't have my keys. Okay, 1 second. Got the keys. So let's see. It's upside down. Let's see if she gets. Oh, she gets power. You know what that means? That means she freaking works still. Okay, I'm just gonna turn that off because I have to set it up and everything. So you know what that means? We successfully took apart and rebuilt an AEM True Boost gauge on the channel. So, don't really want to go ahead and install this yet because there's a bunch of stuff I have to do to install it, and I don't really want to risk not running stock boost by accident because I have no idea what I'm doing with this gauge. So probably just gonna leave this gauge for now till break-in's done, and then once we're ready for dyno, the guys down at Racing Greed, from what I know, they have experience with AEM True Boost, so that's who's tuning the car eventually and all that. Alright, one final touch to cover the gaping hole of missing a gauge. I just put this guy in. He's not powered or anything, but it just looks better. And threw my little Mishimoto Penguin that was sitting on the windshield before. I decided to throw him on there. Can't leave my little buddy behind. Alright you guys, so that is going to be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. It's actually the next day. I actually just finished editing the video. Let me know how you like that editing style. It's a little more fun, a little more goofy. I kind of like it. It was kind of fun to do. It kind of lightened up the video a little bit because I'm a little boring sometimes. But so as per usual, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.